Electric cars are gaining popularity thanks to their eco-friendliness and fuel efficiency. But have you ever wondered how electric cars work and what parts make them tick? In this video, we will explain the inner workings of an electric car, including its battery, motor, and charge port, all of which make it one of the most advanced vehicles on the road. Whether you're considering buying an electric car or simply want to know more about them, this post is a must-read. When you plug your electric car into a charging station, electricity from the grid is stored in rechargeable batteries. These batteries power an electric motor that turns the wheels of your vehicle. The engine is more efficient than traditional vehicles, giving you faster acceleration and a lighter drive. You can recharge your car at home or at a public charging station, but it's important to find the right EV electricity tariff to help save on your charging costs. The range of electric cars varies on the battery size, type, and efficiency of the car, so choose one that meets your needs. If you're looking to buy an electric vehicle, it's important to know that there are different types available. Pure electric vehicles, also known as plug-in electric vehicles, run solely on electricity without needing any petrol or diesel. Hybrid electric vehicles have both an electric battery and a traditional fuel engine, while plug-in hybrids run mainly on electricity but can also use petrol or diesel when their battery runs out. Each type has its own benefits, so it's important to research and choose the one that's right for your needs. When it comes to understanding the inner workings of an electric car, there are a few key components to keep in mind. The electric engine or motor is responsible for providing power to rotate the wheels. The inverter converts the electric current from DC to AC, while the drivetrain is responsible for sending power from the motor to the wheels. Electric vehicles also have a battery to store the electricity required to run the car. Overall, electric cars have 90% fewer moving parts than traditional gas-powered cars, making them simpler to understand and maintain. If you're wondering how electric cars get their power, it's through a battery pack. These packs consist of multiple modules that contain individual battery cells, similar in size to AA batteries. Coolant runs between the cells to prevent overheating. A battery management system regulates the coolant to ensure a long life for the pack. The lithium atoms in the batteries are drawn to one side by electrons, which are prevented from following along by a separating membrane. When you charge the battery, the lithium atoms are attracted back by an influx of electrons. Understanding electric car battery capacity is important when choosing an EV. The battery's capacity is measured in kilowatt-hours, kWh, and it determines how far the car can travel on a single charge. The higher the kWh of the battery, the higher the range for the vehicle. For example, the Smart EQ models from Mercedes-Benz have 16.7 kWh capacity, and provide around 60 miles of range, while the Tesla Model S long range has a 95 kWh battery and an estimated range of 350 miles. Ultimately, the best electric car for you is the one that meets your daily driving needs without the need for frequent charging. If you like this video, please subscribe, like, and leave a comment. To charge an electric vehicle, you can plug it into a standard 3-pin socket or connect it to a charging unit. In the UK, there are many public charging stations available for convenient charging while you're out and about. However, to get the best deal for home charging, it is important to find the right EV electricity tariff to save on your bill. Different types of chargers are available, ranging from 3-pin plugs to rapid chargers that can charge your EV up to 80% in as little as 30 minutes. Electric vehicles have a rich history that dates back to the late 1800s. In 1887, Nikola Tesla invented the alternating current motor, which paved the way for the creation of electric vehicles. Early electric cars, like the Baker Electric, were popular among women due to their ease of use. However, the invention of the gasoline engine made electric cars less popular as they were considered less powerful. In the 1970s, the oil crisis revived the interest in electric cars, and today, they are becoming more popular due to their environmental benefits. As you explore the world of electric vehicles, it's essential to understand the various components that comprise these high-tech cars. Most electric vehicles have 7 primary components, including a battery pack, electric motor, charging port, onboard charger, powertrain, regenerative braking system, and controller. The battery provides the car's power, while the electric motor propels it forward. The charging port and onboard charger allow drivers to replenish the battery, and the powertrain connects all the components. Lastly, the regenerative braking system and controller help maximize the vehicle's energy efficiency. When it comes to electric vehicles, batteries are crucial because they power everything, including the electric motor. These batteries are different from the ones used in gas-powered vehicles and are typically lithium-ion, which are low maintenance and more efficient. Charging the battery is done by plugging the car into a charger connected to the grid. The charging time depends on the level of the charger. Lithium-ion batteries can last between 8 and 12 years depending on the climate and maintenance schedule. Overall, electric vehicle batteries are essential to the functionality of the vehicle. The inverter and induction motor are crucial components of an electric car. The inverter converts the direct current electricity from the battery into alternating current electricity for the motor to use. It controls the motor's speed by regulating the frequency of the alternating current. The induction motor runs on alternating current, creating a rotating magnetic field that turns the wheels. It operates efficiently at any speed range, making acceleration and deceleration smoother and more controllable. Together, the inverter and induction motor act as the car's brain and power source, providing a quieter, more powerful, and environmentally friendly driving experience.